turning rainwater into renewable energy.
There's problems in the world that aren't being addressed.
How a young inventor turned a scooter and a few recycled parts into a water wheel capable of harnessing energy. That's next on The Circuit. Welcome to The Circuit, where we bring you the nation's best young inventors and their inspiring innovations. Right now, we're in our nation's capital, just down the road from Bethesda, Maryland, where we're about to meet a teenage environmentalist who's using household items to turn rainwater into wattage. This is Kettner Griswold. He's a 16-year-old high school student with a passion for invention and design. Kettner started on his engineering road at an early age, creating complex robots from any and all parts at his disposal.
It's that human nature to want to be remembered. I want to be remembered like Thomas Edison invented the light bulb. Everyone said, oh, that's so cool, and all the other hundreds of patents he had. It's not so much about the numbers to me, it's about how did you start out and how did you leave?
By middle school, Kettner was competing with his school's robotics team. Already an Eagle Scout, Kettner has designed and built such inventions as a kayak trailer that can partially power itself.
So this is my kayak trailer. I actually finished it today.
On a level surface, it has a generator that takes the energy that you're spending, going on a level surface and charging a battery. But then when you go uphill, it switches current in the other direction, so then it runs the motor.
But the idea for his greatest invention struck him from above. All right. So up on the roof, this is kind of where your idea started, am I right?
Yeah, kind of. It actually came from the idea that I could use rain coming down and power some sort of electricity generating device.
Kettner devised a way to achieve renewable energy through hydropower. The invention was pieced together from plastic bottles, cloth hangers, gutter nails, and the scrapped parts of an electric scooter. What is this wheel made of right here?
It's made of plastic bottles, so the water can go in and spin it. And here I got a gear that I put on it through my chain.
Okay. As the water comes through here?
As the water comes through here, it would turn this, and this generates electricity.
Kettner's green-inspired water wheel was entered into a national competition of useful innovations created from discarded and recycled items. For turning trash into treasure, the invention placed second. All right, so it's all set. All we have to do is wait for rain, huh?
Yeah, well, why don't we use a hose?
A hose sounds like a better idea than waiting. All right. Water from the gutter is diverted to a pipe that spews water into and fills the plastic bottles. The rapidly turning wheel cranks an attached chain linkage along with a small motor. This small motor generates electric power which can be stored in a rechargeable battery. The energy created can be used to power other things.
You're also lowering the carbon footprint. I feel like if no one's going to put the urgency on problems in the world, I might as well. Because I'm a kid, I have plenty of time, why not?
So that is how you turn rainwater into energy. Well done, Kettner. Thanks a lot. We'll see you next time on The Circuit.